Hello all. A little birdie told me that you were wondering when in the world would we use these circle properties in real life. Well, I have a couple examples there. I use them in real life quite often, and maybe these won't apply to you, but they will going forward continue to apply, and probably the principles are the same. So let's take a quick look here. I have here is a set of calipers. They have a numbering here, and so when they're closed, you can see that they point to 0. Okay, so this is a lag screw. Okay, now what I can do here is I open up my calipers. Okay, and I say, for example, I want to know what size hole to drill for this lag screw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and I am going to close. There we are. Now, if you look at this, because the calipers are parallel and because tangents form right angles with the radii, you know that the endpoints or a point of tangencies are the endpoints of the diameter. Okay, that's just parallel lines and right angles. We know that they have to be a straight line through it. There's no doubt about it. That's there. So now I can come along here and I can see that the measurement is about a 1/4 inch. So that means I would drill a 1/4 inch hole to handle this lag screw. So that is one possible way, once again, using the fact that tangents are at right angles to the circle. And that's really what all of this is it's a circle. Okay? So the other example here is this little jig. Hold on here. Okay, so this little jig here, this side, you can see the pieces, comes here and here. That's a right angle. What we're going to do is we have a circle here. We have a circle, and if we need to find the center of that circle, what we're going to do is we are going to put it here. There's a tangent right there. There's another tangent right there. And I know these two tangents are perpendicular to a radius. So the radius is going to go from here to somewhere where the center is. Now, if I were to bisect that angle, in other words, making this angle, this angle and this angle equal, bisected, congruent triangles lets me know that this line has to be the diameter. So I'm going to draw in my diameter there. Okay, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but I drew in my diameter. And now I turn and I do the same thing on the other side. Once again, this is bisected. So I can take this, mark this, and where the two meet, and I picked a bad wood for this, is right there. Those two lines meet. And so I know that's the center of that circle. Okay? Just because I knew that this angle here was a right angle and this angle here was a right angle. Therefore, I can use hypotenuse leg, okay, or angle side angle, or side angle side. So I have side because I know my radii are congruent. I have an angle because I know two right angles are congruent. And I have the tangent side because I know all tangents are congruent. These two triangles have to be congruent. Okay? So that is another example. And as I come up with more, I'll have some more. So there you go. There's two examples. Bye.